The Mappdom Difference. At Mappdom, we don't just care about your website development and design, we care about your success. That's because we're business owners too. At Mappdom, we understand your website is more than just a calling card or information brochure. Mappdom designs your website not only to inform visitors of your products and services, but also to increase leads, prospects, sales, customers, conversions, and cash. Our in-depth intake process allows us to thoroughly understand your business needs, goals, and objectives. We also support you with weekly updates, reviews, and strategy calls. While any teenager with a computer or phone can design a website for under $100, with 25 years of award-winning, trailblazing experience under our belt, Mappdom's sophisticated website design considers the outcome you desire, the message you want to convey, and the user experience/interaction, and SEO. This includes the search engine optimization of your content, images, and metadata as well. This way, your page loads quickly and ranks well in the search engines. Speaking of search engines, Mappdom additionally sets up your Google Analytics right away, so you can immediately start collecting visitor data and make informed decisions around your marketing or business development needs. At Mappdom, we're all about strategy. We implement not only the latest designs and web development technologies, we also optimize for performance. Mappdom fully supports your website development journey from domain registration to monthly hosting, SSL, and monthly ongoing maintenance and tech support, including privacy, security, and other legalities, ensuring your website is compliant, safe, and secure. That's why we also monitor and update your site for performance. Be sure to take a look at our a la carte options or package everything together and save with our website bundle. Pricing starts at $4,997.